Hello, FlowSpace 101 Explorers. Today we will learn 12 new words from Blue Level Unit 1. The words are blunder, cancel, continuous, distribute, document, fragile, myth, reject, scuffle, solitary, temporary, and veteran. Get ready to read, think, and grow. We will learn how to say each word, what each word means, and how to use each word in a sentence. Let's begin our vocabulary flow. Our first word is blunder. Blunder can be a verb or a noun. As a verb, blunder means to make a foolish or careless mistake, or to move clumsily. As a noun, a blunder is a serious or thoughtless mistake. For example, I saw the hiker blunder through the woods. He made a blunder on the math test. Some synonyms for blunder are goof, bungle, and blooper. Some antonyms are succeed, triumph, and hit. Now think about it. What can you do after you make a blunder? Why is it okay to learn from mistakes? Next, let's learn cancel. Cancel is a verb. Cancel means to call off, stop, or do away with something. It can also mean to cross something out so it cannot be used again. For example, the school may cancel the game because of rain. Please cancel the old ticket. Some synonyms for cancel are stop, discontinue, drop, repeal, and revoke. Some antonyms are continue, extend, renew, and maintain. Now think about it. Why do people sometimes cancel plans? Have you ever had to cancel something? Now, let's learn continuous. Continuous is an adjective. Continuous means going on without a stop or break. For example, the rain was continuous all day. The teacher gave continuous support to her students. Some synonyms for continuous are ongoing, endless, ceaseless, unbroken, and constant. Some antonyms are broken, discontinuous, and interrupted. Now think about it. What is something that can be continuous? Why is continuous practice important? Next, let's learn distribute. Distribute is a verb. Distribute means to give out in shares or to spread something around. For example, our class will distribute flyers for the school event. Please distribute the papers to your group. Some synonyms for distribute are divide, share, deal, and issue. Some antonyms are gather, collect, and hold. Now think about it. What things do teachers distribute in class? Why is it helpful to share fairly? Now let's learn document. Document can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, a document is a written or printed record that gives information or proof. As a verb, document means to give written proof or to support something with evidence. For example, the librarian found an old document inside a book. Scientists document their results carefully. Some synonyms for document are record, certificate, deed, prove, and support. Some antonyms are ignore, hide, and disprove. Now think about it. Why are documents important? What kinds of things should people document? Next, let's learn fragile. Fragile is an adjective. Fragile means easily broken or damaged. It can also mean needing special handling or care. For example, the fragile vase broke when it fell. Please be careful with the fragile package. Some synonyms for fragile are weak, frail, breakable, delicate, and brittle. Some antonyms are sturdy, hardy, strong, rugged, and tough. Now think about it. What are some fragile things at home or at school? How should we handle fragile items? Now, let's learn myth. Myth is a noun. A myth is an old story that explains why something is or how it came to be. A myth can also mean something imaginary. For example, the play was based on an ancient Greek myth. Some people thought the creature was only a myth. Some synonyms for myth are legend, fable, tale, fantasy, and fairy tale. An antonym is fact. Now think about it. Why do people tell myths? Can a myth teach a lesson? Next, let's learn reject. Reject is a verb. Reject means to refuse to accept, agree to, believe, or use something. For example, she decided to reject the unfair offer. Please reject damaged items from the box. Some synonyms for reject are deny, discard, decline, and dismiss. Some antonyms are accept, receive, welcome, and take. Now think about it. When is it okay to reject something? How can you reject something politely? Now let's learn scuffle. Scuffle can be a verb or a noun. As a verb, scuffle means to fight or struggle closely with someone. As a noun, a scuffle is a fight or struggle. For example, two boys began to scuffle over the ball. Teachers quickly stopped the scuffle. Some synonyms for scuffle are tussle, battle, brawl, and clash. Some antonyms are peace, calm, and cooperate. Now think about it. How can we solve a problem without a scuffle? What should you do if you see a scuffle? Next, let's learn solitary. Solitary is an adjective. Solitary means living or being alone, or being the only one. For example, The old man led a solitary life. A solitary tree stood on the hill. Some synonyms for solitary are single, lone, sole, and alone. Some antonyms are social, several, many, and numerous. Now think about it. When is it nice to be solitary? Is being solitary always lonely? Now let's learn temporary. Temporary is an adjective. Temporary means lasting or used for a limited time. For example, we stayed in a temporary classroom. The pain was only temporary. Some synonyms for temporary are short-term, brief, passing, and momentary. Some antonyms are lasting, permanent, and long-lived. Now think about it. What things are temporary? Why are temporary solutions sometimes helpful? Our last word is veteran. Veteran can be a noun or an adjective. As a noun, a veteran is a former member of the armed forces or an experienced person. As an adjective, veteran means having much experience in a job or field. For example, the Army veteran shared his story with the class. She is a veteran teacher with many years of experience. Some synonyms for veteran are expert, professional, experienced, and skilled. Some antonyms are beginner, newcomer, novice, and rookie. Now think about it. What makes someone a veteran? Can a person be a veteran at a job, not only in the Army? Great job, Flowspace 101 Explorers! Today, we learned 12 Blue Level Unit 1 words. Blunder, cancel, continuous, distribute, document, fragile, myth, reject, scuffle, solitary, temporary, and veteran. You did an amazing job reading, thinking, and growing. Keep practicing these words in your reading, writing, and speaking. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe. See you in the next Vocabulary Flow video. Go with the flow! Read, think, grow with Flowspace 101.